Hi guys, today is June 30th, 2040, and we're in the city for the USC Chevron Frontier of Energy Camp. So we're here for the week and we're just gonna be filming stuff around the city because it's so cool here. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Emily.
I'm Aisha.
I'm Andrew.
And.
I'm Jose.
Okay, so the reason for why we're vlogging a lot is because we want to showcase a lot of the IoT we have here. And, I just wanted to kind of clarify some things. So, yeah.
Internet of Things is a system of controlling everything through the internet and sensors and junk. This network comes with a lot of data managing and maintenance. Virtually every product in the structure has sensors that connect to data centers miles away. The signals between the sensors and actuators are what cause the convenience of wireless control.
So right now we're at the city library. We're studying because we have a ton of homework every night. But it's super cool how everything in the city is like so energy efficient.
Even all the lights turn on automatically. Here, look, I'll tell you more about it.
Energy management is by far the best way to save power. In homes and businesses, we use electrical meters to measure demand and help companies direct the necessary energy to those locations. In our case right now, motion sensors conserve energy while only keeping the lights on when people are nearby.
So we're about to take a ride in our eco-friendly car. It's green and electric and very good for the environment. Like almost all of our cars here.
We're about to go. I'm so excited. Let's go.
I know a lot about all the cars here. Let me tell you more about it.
The IoT is used to interconnect car GPSs and assist in things like traffic control, accident reduction, and parking. In the case of accident reduction, for example, cars are interconnected and know how to maintain at least a meter space between them at all times. IoT also helps with traffic control and parking by directing cars to less crowded areas.
So right now we're at the city park and we're just like walking around and it's so nice, like the flowers smell so good here.
Yeah, the air is super fresh. I know a lot about how IoT helps with air quality.
Want to show us?
Yeah.
Okay.
When discussing the methods of how we've applied IoT to the environment, one way was installing air quality sensors throughout the city to map air pollution. We attached air quality sensors to the existing infrastructure and are currently able to measure air pollutant levels, specifically carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, smoke, and particulate levels. Attaching sensors to the infrastructure is a good way to map air quality over time and obtain instantaneous data about air quality at specific locations. However, it is also expensive and does not provide citywide data. To solve this issue, we implemented mobile air quality sensors by attaching them to cars or bicycles. This has reduced costs and provided citywide data of air quality.
Well, okay, so after walking around the city for a while, we started getting tired. So we saw this bus, right? And what do you think?
I'm so excited to go on a tour.
Andrew?
Public transportation is great here, okay? Let me tell you about it.
If you use public transportation, the IoT makes travel much easier. GPS trackers tell people where buses are and cab drivers where to go. It also lets us control traffic and decrease travel time from place to place.
So we're really enjoying the water out here today. It's really hot, but thankfully we have really clean water here in this city. And yeah, let me tell you more about it.
IoT has also been put in place to measure and improve drinking water quality. For example, pH sensors have been installed that measure the pH of the water. If the water is too basic or acidic, it will show a warning that treatment needs to be added to the water in order to return it to a pH of 7. Sensors are also used to measure electrical conductivity, dissolved oxygen, and total dissolved solids.
We just finished dinner and here we have zero waste. We have this cool conveyor belt thing that we put all our dishes on. I'll tell you more about it right now.
Besides the conveyor belt, sensors and trash cans tell us how full they are, and proximity sensors can notify the proper personnel to clean the litter. Pressure sensors can detect leaks and prevent water loss.
It's essential to understand and counter new types of consequences. We can have some situations like household privacy is compromised, power failure, hackers, loss of life, or environmental impacts, anonymity when transmitting data.
After spending time in this amazing city, it's possible to see the endless uses and applications of IoT. What if we use IoT to remove the delay time in emergency responses, or improve energy efficiency with traffic removal? Maybe increase natural hazard detection and make sure infrastructure maintenance is a must. Our city has a great system to allow it to function, Because of the amount of technology paired with the IoT system, we have to make sure everything is reliable and accountable. To do this, as a result of big data, everything is transparent, meaning accountability will follow. Paired with citizen feedback, the feedback will allow the program to grow and progress as we do as a city.